Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this function analysis are actually quite simple once you break them down. Let's solve this multi-part derivative challenge together right now. First, for the tangent line at 5, we need the point and the slope. Calculate the derivative using the quotient rule, then plug in 5 to get your final linear equation. Next, to prove the horizontal asymptote, we evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity. Since the exponential grows much faster than the cubic term, the entire function must approach 0 eventually. Finally, find critical points where the derivative is 0. At x equals 0, the sign remains unchanged, so it is neither a minimum nor maximum. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.